What if I told you flamingos can change color based on their diet? In the next few seconds, you'll learn an astonishing fact about these pink birds. Flamingos are not born pink. In the wild, they eat algae and crustaceans. These foods are rich in carotenoids. Carotenoids are pigments that turn their feathers pink. Without these pigments, flamingos stay gray. This color change helps them attract mates. Flamingos filter feed in shallow waters. They travel long distances for food. Their bright color ensures they stand out. Do you want to learn more amazing facts? Like what you see? Subscribe for more.